And similarly, the melanin is present in the dark races, whether in the Arabs in Yemen, or whether the Africans, or whether the people in southern India or around. It corresponds to the maximum and the most powerful sunlight. It protects the human being from vitaminosis, from synthesizing too much vitamin D. You can get very sick from it. It's lethal even. High doses of vitamin D are lethal. And similarly. And so I certainly believe, and we have written an article about evolution, we certainly believe that people evolve within one and some species. There are ecotypes, there are varieties, there are, and so forth, races, if you will. It's undeniable. And these are providentially created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah creates set with asbab. This is Qadir. Shaykh Muhyiddin mentions that the Qadir is the all-powerful with asbab, by causes and effects, bringing about things. And al-Muqtadir, he creates without any asbab. Also, he brings about these changes. The evolution that we haven't seen any real convincing proof of on planet Earth, at least as a theoretical possibility, I suppose it remains, but we haven't seen a convincing proof of evolution that is between orders of, the great families of plants and animals, change from one order to another, a different order, because the fossil record so far has not borne it out. We look in the fossil record and we look back to the Cambrian period, and we see out of 15 of the major families of the plants and animals on the planet Earth, we find fossils of 13 of these families all the way back to the Cambrian period. And at the Cambrian period, we find rock. In other words, all of them suddenly appeared at once on this planet, according to the fossil record so far. And so, I'm from Missouri, show me, about the evolution between orders. As for evolution and differentiation between populations, this is something we certainly believe in. Certainly believe, and we see it. And so I don't see a direct. In any case, even if the deformity and was a necessary concomitant of intersanguinary marriages, aside from this founder effect. We believe as Muslims that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala creates the cause and creates the effects. Causes do not necessarily proceed out of, the effects do not necessarily proceed out of the causes. Allah conventionally associates the cause with the effect. He usually groups the two together, and sometimes He suspends them.